how to play Terraria multiplayer. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Anyone who wants to play in multiplayer mode needs to have the same version of Terraria installed. It's important to make sure that everyone updates their game before starting. To do this, check your device or platform to see if there are any pending updates. Go ahead and install them if necessary to ensure compatibility between players. Once your game is fully updated, open Terraria. From the home screen, select the multiplayer option. You'll immediately be directed to create a new character. Customize your character however you like, choose the appearance, clothing and other features. After you're done, select Create to finalize your character setup and then input a character name. You can choose any name. For demonstration purposes, a random name will do. After creating your character, you'll see a list of your available worlds. You can either select an existing world or create a new one from this window if you prefer. Choose Play for the selected character and you'll be taken to a screen where you can join or host a multiplayer session. If you're playing on a local network with friends who are connected to the same Wi-Fi, you can simply select the host option. Once you create the world, it will appear in the list of available games for your friends under their multiplayer tab. They can easily join it without needing an internet server. If you're playing online with friends who are not on the same network, select the add option. You will need to input the IP address and port number of the server you wish to join. This allows you to connect remotely and join friends anywhere. Once again, selecting host and creating a world will make it visible to others on the same network under their local list. As long as everyone is using the same version of Terraria, you'll be able to connect and play together without any issues. Multiplayer becomes a smooth and fun experience when everyone is properly synced. So that's basically how you can play Terraria multiplayer. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.